Functions in Python. What is function in Python? A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single, related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. Python provides you many inbuilt functions like print, but it also gives freedom to create your own functions. How to define and call a function in Python. You can define functions to provide the required functionality. Here are simple rules to define a function in Python. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. Any input parameters or arguments should be placed within these parentheses. You can also define parameters inside these parentheses. The first statement of a function can be an optional statement, the documentation string of the function or docstring. The code block within every function starts with a colon and is indented. The statement returned expression exits a function, optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no arguments is the same as return none. There are a set of rules in Python to define a function. Any args or input parameters should be placed within these parentheses. The function first statement can be an optional statement, docstring, or the documentation string of the function. The code within every function starts with a colon symbol and should be indented, space. The statement return expression exits a function, optionally passing back a value to the caller. A return statement with no args is the same as return none. How function return value. Return command in Python specifies what value to give back to the caller of the function. Step 1. Here, we see when function is not return. For example, we want the square of 4, and it should give answer 16 when the code is executed, which it gives when we simply use print x** x code. But when you call function print square, it gives none as an output. This is because when you call the function, recursion does not happen and fall off the end of the function. Python returns none for failing off the end of the function. Step 2. To make this clearer, we replace the print command with assignment command. Let's check the output. When you run the command print square 4, it actually returns the value of the object. Since we don't have any specific function to run over here, it returns none. Step 3. Functions in Python are themselves an object, and an object has some value. We will here see how Python treats an object. When you run the command print square, it returns the value of the object. Since we have not passed any argument, we don't have any specific function to run over. Here it returns a default value, 0x021b2d30, which is the location of the object. Thank you.